My name is Michelle, and I am the founder and the owner of Truly Restored Coaching Services, where we work with churches and individuals and families to recover and understand mental health and substance abuse challenges. This year, I celebrate 12 years clean, so it's February 14, 2024. Also, broken family relationships, a broken relationship with myself, and so many other challenges that face those of us who struggle with substance abuse and mental health challenges. Say that restoration is possible, recovery is possible. I not only see it, I have experienced it, and I really believe that I have been called by God to help empower you, empower churches, empower families to pursue forgiveness, self-forgiveness, and to embrace the hope that is available to us all, and to be able to live in that hope. There's just a lot that's been imparted inside of my womb. I know that God has called me to share it with others. So please subscribe to the channel, and also put in the chat what you would like to see me talk about. Speakers, and I would love for them to share with you their stories of redemption, and we are going to have a great time. Do know that, and do understand that the best is yet to come. All right, please subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Michelle with Truly Restored Coaching Services, and I hope to talk to you soon. God bless.